Yo, what it do, SRT gang? It's your boy, the Facts Swaggy Reacts, and we are back with another reaction video. Hey, baby! Your boy Token. I just dropped a cough freestyle. My bad. I went all the way to the end. What the hell is going on? Your boy Token. I've never reacted to Token, bro. You know what I'm saying? I mean, of course, I've never had any requests for Token, but bro, like Token just dropped a freestyle called Cough Freestyle. You know what I'm saying? Now, with all this going on with this corona, I can only imagine what he about to be rapping about. But hey, bro, we definitely about to give him a, look into. And like, if you guys are Token fans and want me to react to Token, I'll definitely do it, bro. I'm up to do it, dog. Just let me know down in the comments, and I'll definitely get to it. Like, we're on the road to 3K, so y'all help me. You know what I'm saying? Like, get that 3K, you know what I'm saying? Because I drop every day. I drop something every day for y'all, you know what I'm saying? So, come on now. Come on now. I mean, rock with your boys. So, we're going to go ahead and get into this cough freestyle, bro. Let's get it, man.
So I'm getting over this fucking cough, baby. God damn.
Hey. Brand new crib, I love to wake up. Top at the same time as my breakup. That girl dread this like Jamaica window.
Whoa, hold up. First off, the beat knocking. Okay, I rock with the beat. Then he said, like, he talking about dreading like Jamaica with the girl. Whoa. Okay, hold up. It look like I gotta tell you the rules. You can't just come in spitting like that. You gotta warm up and then go in like that. You know what I'm saying? You just can't just come in like that. Like, we weren't ready for that, coach. Know what I'm saying? Let's start it over, yo.
So I'm getting over this fucking
What's wrong with you, bro? What's wrong with him?
Hey, brand new crib, I love to wake up. Top at the same time as my breakup. That girl dread this like Jamaica window. Blacker than 2, 3 a.m. I whip wearing that shit like makeup. I touch up my rim like layup. My deal did it come with no pay cuts. Still independent. My pendant, everything I hope.
Yo, hold up. Hold the fuck up. Token, where you been? Where you been, bro? I mean, welcome back. But where you been? Come on, bro.
Like Jamaica window, blacker than 2, 3 a.m. I whip wearing that shit like makeup. I touch up my rim like layup. My deal did it come with no pay cuts. Still moving independent, no pendant. My pendant, everything I hope. My only intention is attention or tension in the air like smoke. That girl.
Ooh, bro, my only intention is attention, or if not, it's gonna be tension like smoke. What are you talking about? Whoa. We here for it. Let's go. We here for it.
My pendant, everything I hope.
Yeah.
My only intention is attention or tension in the air like smoke. That girl keep loving me too much. I only love back whenever they don't. Fly me so quickly, my dick feel like some getaway car she stole. I get
Talk your ish, Token. What you talking about, boy? Talk your ish.
I only love back whenever they don't. Ride me so quickly, my dick feel like some getaway car she stole. I get
ride me so quick. Ride me so fast like I'm the getaway car. Oh my god. We love them type of bars. We love for her to ride us all night, coach. We love it.
Love back whenever they don't. Ride me so quickly, my dick feel like some getaway car she stole. I get a repertoire flows, and I still set the bar with those. Tell my chick I really don't trick, but I got a deck of card to hold. My patience thin, I'm Kendall temper short.
Yo, he dropping bar after bar though, is he not? Come on. What?
Tell my chick I really don't trick, but I got a deck of card to hold. My patience thin,
I get a deck of card to hold. Like, come on. I mean, but I don't cheat though. But if I did, I can get a whole deck. Like, it's 52 in the deck, you heard? I can get as many as this. You man, it's just that simple, you feel?
Set the bar with those. Tell my chick I really don't trick, but I got a deck of card to hold. My patience thin, I'm Kendall temper short, I'm Kevin Hart below. I still live like.
Ooh, Kevin Hart below. Come on, man, stop playing, cause he's short, cause you know he got a short. Come on, bro, leave Kevin out of this. Kevin don't rap. Chocolate dropper. Let me chill, yo. Let me chill.
My patience thin, I'm Kendall temper short, I'm Kevin Hart below. I still live life like I'm broken, bitch. I'm very far from broken. Now I'm on the rap.
Hey, bro, that's how we gotta live, bro. We gotta live like we broke. We gotta live like broke. Hey, facts, bro. Facts. Like, we gotta live what we broke. I mean, we don't gotta show that we got money. You feel me? Come on.
I still live life like I'm broken, bitch. I'm very far from broken. Now I'm in a whole new bracket. Now I got a whole new tactic. I used to record in the closet. In between between all them jackets. Ma told me that I wanna be average. Proved her right up.
Hey, that's the struggle right there, my guy. We had to record in the closet. Niggas don't know about that. I don't mean rapping, I know about that.
I used to record in the closet, in between all them jackets. Ma told me that I wouldn't be average. Proved her right, I became established. They want me to be way more active, but my life can't fit in no caption. I be in the UK, grow my traction, get my money, fly home and stack it. Queen Elizabeth, top of Franklin. My pockets look pornographic. I don't got a girlfriend no more.
My pockets look pornographic. Come on, hey bro, please request more token, bro. Come on, bro. Like my energy is on go right now, bro. Let's get it, bro.
Money, fly home and stack it. Queen Elizabeth, top of Franklin. My pockets look pornographic. I don't got a girlfriend, no more attachment. Ovary leading to overreaction.
Yeah.
Kill a pussy, leave an open casket. Just so the broken have it. I'ma get the homies active, no distraction. Bitch got moves like Jackson, lips like Tony Braxton. Ain't a fascist, but my whip is German. Think I drove the fastest, tires pass it.
Yo, he says Tony Jack. Come on, dog. What?
Leave an open casket, just so the broken have it. I'ma get the homies active, no distraction. Bitch got moves like Jackson, lips like Tony Braxton. Ain't
said the bitch got lips like Tony Braxton. That's what he said.
Broken have it. I'ma get the homies active, no distraction. Bitch got moves like Jackson, lips like Tony Braxton. Ain't no fascist, but my whip is German. Think I drove the fastest, tires pass it. I control her vision, plus I buy her lashes, lashing out. I buy her back in this.
Bro, what the hell is going on? Why is he going crazy like this?
Fastest tires passing, I control her vision. Plus I buy her lashes, lashing out. I buy her back in this life. I imagine this that shit you barely on. Know this shit a marathon. Money first, I put the bag above us all like it's a carry-on. If she barely,
I put that bag above your head like it's a carry-on. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Put that bag on your head, dog.
know this shit a marathon.
Come on.
Money first, I put the bag above us all like it's a carry-on. If she barely even my type, dog, I don't really care at all. I just condition her so well, she'll think this shit a hair salon. Just met she let me hit it off the bat.
Condition her so. Come on, man. Come on, man. Like condition you so long, you feel like you at a hair salon. Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
Air bombs, I like that shit, but I can't trust you. Watch this trick, I'm there and gone. Disappear, these rappers probably diss me, cause I won't let them share a song. Hey, fuck engaging in the war, little bitch, let's get the marriage on. Let's go. I can only do the freestyle shit when the time getting free to turn the baby keem up. I'ma get the pussy when I get the meet up. I'ma get the wifey when I get the prenup. I'ma get the money when I get to re-up. Save it till I buy myself enough freedom. When I get to ease up, I'ma calm down, never get my seat up. And my brand new girl don't even got an IG, so I just implored her. My old girl tried too hard to go viral, I got avoided. Just got me a deal, still spitting like I can't afford a lawyer, but I got 3 in my fucking corner. I could give you up covers, couple corners. I'm gonna.
Ooh, man, stop playing and talking, my guy. What? Where you been? We need more music, my guy. Come on. And this beat cold. Next week, curfew next week. Oh, never mind. Hey, he just answered it, and we own it, my guy. We own it. If y'all want some old token, for me to react to, leave it down in the comments. We own it, my guy. For real. For real, for real. Fire, bro. Come on, bro. Token did his. Come on, bro. Fire, bro. We missed Token, bro. That dude is fire, my guy. If you guys like this reaction, like, leave a thumbs up, share the video, and if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that sub button. It ain't gonna hurt you. It's free. Come on, man. Like, we're on the road to 3,000, man. SRT gang. We out this thing.